Waymo is revolutionizing the robotaxi industry with its new Generation 6 inches self-driving technology. This innovation promises to deliver a more spacious and cost-effective ride, enhancing the future of autonomous travel. The Generation 6 inches system is integrated into Geely Zeekr electric vehicles. It operates efficiently in diverse weather conditions, using fewer cameras and sensors. Satish Jayachandran, Waymo's Vice President of Engineering, highlighted advances in machine learning and semiconductor technology as key to its rapid development. The upcoming Waymo Zeekr model boasts a boxier design with a low step, high ceiling, and extra legroom, ensuring comfort for all passengers. It features a 360-degree view system with lidar and radar sensors, equipped with wipers to maintain clarity. Waymo's latest vehicles are undergoing public road tests with professional drivers. Testing is also happening in cities like Detroit and Buffalo to evaluate performance in various traffic and weather conditions. Waymo aims to expand its service in cities like San Francisco, Phoenix, Austin, and Los Angeles. With a $5 billion investment from Alphabet, Waymo is poised to scale its operations. The company plans to integrate the new robotaxis into its fleet, continuing to provide over 50,000 weekly rides and expanding its reach to more users.